How to make an ebook for free, quick and easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create a ebook for free. So let's get into it. Now there are two tools that you can use to create your ebook. You can either use Canva or you can use Vista Create. So both of these are amazing platforms that enable you to create your own digital book. Now, depending on what kind of platform you are more comfortable with using, you can use either one of these. However, Vista Create is something I recommend to people that want to create, live videos or animated things. However, if you're creating static images like you would in a book, then I recommend using Canva. So I will be using Canva for this tutorial. Now, I already have an account signed up to Canva. If you don't have one, simply register using your email address and that is it. You don't have to pay for anything. You simply register with your email. Now, once you have registered with your email, you can simply go into this search bar and you can search for ebook. Now you can see over here you have your ebook cover, you have ebook template, or you can simply search for ebook. So these are all simple templates that you can choose from. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go into the specific one. So you have digital book cover, you have digital book, you have book cover portrait, book cover landscape, and I will simply go with ebook cover. And now you can see over here, there are so many different templates that you can choose from. Now, let's say I'm just going to scroll down, take a look at all of the templates. And if you want to spend less time looking for templates, you can simply click on the category of your choice, whatever you are writing your book about. And you can simply click on that specific category on the left side of your screen. And let's say it's a business related book, so you can choose a specific category that suits that. And you can choose a style as well as a theme, and if you want to pay for it or not. So let's say we only want to browse free templates. So we're just going to browse a couple of these templates, and there are so many amazing templates that you can pick from. And I want to take a look at this template. So this is a super nice little template, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the bottom text and I will add my name as the author. So at the bottom, you will simply change the text, and then you're just going to change this text over here. We're just going to select all the text and type in our own instead. So let's say that the book I'm creating is called Time to Die. So this is like the simple ebook cover. Now you can even change any of the background elements if you want to. So if you want to remove this, you can. If you want to keep it, you can do that as well. Let's say that I want to edit the colors of this. So I can simply click on the element and I can click on edit image and edit the image effects as well. So let's say I want to do a trace effect and I will click on send to back. And maybe this doesn't look very fitting for a book cover, so I will leave it as it was initially. And I will just place it over here, click on send backward. And maybe I'll just expand it a little so it fills out the entire book cover. And once I've done that, you can see a simple cover page has been created. Now, the next choice is whether or not if you want to create the rest of your pages in this format as well. So if you want to create them in a portrait view, you can simply click on add page on the top right over here and another page will be added. Now, I don't want the text pages to be in black. I want them to be in white. So I will convert this into white. And what I will do is I will actually take this graphic, the one on the cover page, and I will just click on Command C and Command V, and I will place it on the bottom page. But I will make sure that once I've placed it on the bottom page, the purpose is to just decorate the page and make it look, cohesive. So I will click on the transparency on the top right, and I will make it just semi-transparent like this. And over here with these pages, I can create all of, index pages. So I'm going to click on elements over here, or you can simply take the text block. So I'm going to lock the background, but I'm going to take this text block and I'm going to do Command C and Command V. And I will just drag this to the bottom page. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to rotate this a little because I want to use the same fonts and I want to, use a similar kind of style. Now I will do this. So I'm just going to place this like so. I'm going to lock our background and take the text block, place it right at the center, and then I'm going to make sure everything is centered. The text needs to be centered as well. So making sure that my text and the blocks are centered like this. Now I can also change the color of this. So color of this, the thickness as well. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a look at the block over here, and you can change the color, you can change the design, you can even animate these if you want, but I think it looks good. I want to actually change the text color and size and thickness, so I'm just going to take this block over here, and it's a little difficult to select the text when the block is present on top, but now I have selected the text, and what I will do is I will click on Effect, click on Shadow Effect, and I will also change the color to black. And I can also click on the effects. I can add more intensity to the shadow if I want. I can also curve the text. You also have other options as well. But I'm just going to place everything back together. And now below that, you can start typing your ebook. You can add different graphics. You can add a bunch more things into your ebook. And in this way, now I can click on Add Page, or I can simply click on Duplicate Page. And then I can delete this information. So I can delete this block over here, and I can add, the content, the interface of the book, all of that. And then you can click on Add Page. And when you want to actually begin the story of your book, the plot of your book, instead of using the same background, you can use something that is similar but not the same, simply to give your book a interesting look. So let's say that I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to go into Canva, and I'm going to click on the element section, and you're going to go into the search bar. And I'm just searching for stars over here because it looks like, there's a bunch of different stars. And what I will do is I will actually just take a starry little background and use those as a background for the rest of my simple text pages. So I will actually change the color like this. And you can add anything you want. If you want to add borders, you can add borders, so on and so forth. It's totally up to you how you want to design the rest of your ebook simply by using Canva. So once you have completed your ebook, you can click on Share on the top right and click on Download. You can convert this to a PDF and your ebook will be ready. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.